How to track variable income and make sure you have enough money to meet all of your goals.
This episode is about the whiteboard method for variable income. It's incredibly visual. You'll need a basic whiteboard or notebook, a list of your monthly budget total from the worksheet that we built together, a calculator, and your work schedule, if you have one handy. Let's say your monthly budget all in is $4,000. That includes your rent, food, savings, transportation, and more, everything we budgeted for. Now, count how many days you actually work in a month. Let's say you work 23 shifts in August. That's 4 to 5 shifts per week with weekends off. Take your $4,000 total monthly need and divide it by how many shifts you work, the 23, which will give you $174 per shift. That is your daily goal. Now, grab your whiteboard or the journal and build the board. Make 4 columns across the top. The first section will be date. Then you're going to write made, need, and have across the top. For each day you work, fill it out like this. The date, August 1st. Made is write how much you actually earned that day. Need, always write 174 in this example. Have, you add your running total together, and so on. Each day, you'll see if you're on pace to meet your monthly goal. Why this works. This method gives you instant feedback. If you're behind, you'll know by day 10. If you're ahead, awesome. Stay disciplined. Don't go blow it on anything else. The have column is your lifeline. At a glance, you'll see, are you on track to meet your monthly goal? Do you need to pick up extra shifts? Can you afford that night out, or should you wait? It's clarity on a whiteboard right in front of you. What if you have a great day? Let's say one Saturday you make $300 instead of $174. Awesome. But here's the deal. That extra $126, that's not extra. That's coverage for a slower shift right ahead. It's tempting to celebrate, but remember, you're not just budgeting for today. You're building a month. Discipline today is the freedom tomorrow. What if you're under? Let's say you have 3 rough shifts in a row. You're behind. At first, don't panic. You still have time. But that's your cue to tighten, not spend more. This method lets you course correct in real time. Most people wait until they overdraft. You'll see it coming a mile away. What if you go over how much money you're supposed to make? If you hit your $4,000 goal by day 18, amazing. Now you have options. Start working on next month's needs. Throw it toward extra debt payments, build your emergency savings, or give yourself a reasonable reward. Planned, of course. You've earned the right to choose because you planned for it. Why it's so powerful? This method doesn't require budgeting apps. It doesn't depend on a perfect income. It just requires awareness and daily check-ins. And if you follow this month after month, here's what happens. You get calmer, you get confident, you stop fearing money, and you start mastering it. The final lessons, your money mindset. Let's talk about something deeper now. All budgeting aside, you work hard, you sacrifice, you want to feel like it's worth something. So let me tell you, budgeting isn't punishment, it's not a restriction. It's not some boring spreadsheet thing that only finance nerds care about. It's freedom. When you know your money, when you tell every dollar where to go, when you stop hoping and start planning, you unlock a version of your life you've never seen before.